magic on the line, but I hear your voice in the quiet night. You're my only choice. City sleeping, but my heart awake. Every word you say make the silence break. Miles apart, but you feel so near. Through the speakers, crystal clear. No touch, no side, still I know your love steady like the radio.
Turn it up, don't let it fade.
Every word you serenade.
In the dark, your voice, my light,
Guiding me through every night. On the late night radio, love.
You the signal from above.
Through the waves I feel you close.
More than anybody knows.
No distance, no goodbye.
Just your voice and endless sky.
On the late night radio, love. You the one I'm dreaming of. Headphones on, world fades away. Every song got your name to say. DJ spinning what I feel inside. Every beat got nowhere to hide. No riches, no fancy scenes. Still you the best I've ever seen. Through the air, your love runs free. Like a song meant just for me.
Every night the same routine. You my hidden melody. Even when the silence falls, I still hear you through it all.
On the late night radio, love.
You the signal from above.
Through the waves I feel you close.
More than anybody knows.
No distance, no goodbye.
Just your voice and endless sky.
On the late night radio, love.
Oh, you the one I'm dreaming of.
One day we won't need these lines.
No more echoes, no more signs.
Face to face beneath the stars.
No more distance, no more fight.
Till that day I hold on tight.
To your voice every night.
Through the waves our hearts collide. Love like this can't be denied. Yeah, oh, na, na. Dry your eyes tonight. Everything gon' be alright. Oh, oh, oh. Sitting by the fire in the pouring rain, thinking about the days we felt no pain. Life was simple, love was strong. Now I'm here just holding on. Cold nights, but your warmth remains. Through every loss, through every strain. Even when the road feels dry, I hear your voice say, don't you cry.
Through the storm, through the fight, we gon' make it through the night. Hold on strong, don't lose your life. Everything will be alright.
No woman, no cry. Wipe your eyes. Better days are passing by. Though the
far, still I hear your gentle call, telling me to stand my ground, even when the world spins round. Every tear that touched your face, every moment we embraced, turned to strength inside my soul, gave me power, made me whole.
Through the pain, through the fire, rise above and lift you higher. Don't let sorrow steal your flame.
Joy will find you once again.
No woman, no cry.
Wipe your eyes, better days are passing by.
Though the struggle feels so high,
Keep your head up to the sky.
no woman, no cry.
Don't you fear, love will always find you here, even when the road runs dry.
No woman, no cry.
One love in the night so cold, stories of the brave and bold.
We've been down but not defeated. Every loss can be repeated.
Turn your tears into a song, that's where broken hearts go strong. From the pain, a brighter dawn.
Keep the faith and carry on.
Dry your tears, we survived through all these years. From the darkness, light will rise.
You can see it in my eyes.
No woman, no cry.
Stand up tall
You're not alone,
through it all.
even when the world runs dry.
No woman, no cry. Oh, nah, nah.
Oh, na na,
Everything gon' be alright.
hold on, stay strong.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yeah, oh, nah, nah. Rise up now, break the chains. This is your redemption song. Oh, from the shadows where we used to hide, carrying pain deep down inside. Every scar tells a story untold of a heart that refused to fold. Broken roads that we walked alone, searching for a place called home. But the fire still burns within, even after all the sin.
Hear the voice inside your soul, telling you to take control. You were never meant to fall.
You were born to stand up tall. Sing your redemption song. Where you've been don't define where you belong. From the ashes you rise so strong. This is your redemption song.
Sing your redemption song.
Turn your pain into something strong.
Let your voice be loud and long.
This is your redemption song. Change may hold you for a time, but your spirit's still divine. No more living in regret. Your future ain't written yet. Every tear that fell like rain was just healing through the pain.
Now the sun begins to shine, and your stars start to align.
Feel the strength within your heart. This is where your journey starts.
Leave the past and move along.
You're the writer of your song.
Sing your redemption song.
Where you've been don't define where you
You belong.
hear no more chains. Freedom flowing through your veins. Stand up now, take your place. Let the world see your face. From the struggle you were born, now a king, now reborn.
Sing your redemption song, let it echo loud and strong.
Every right from every wrong
Builds the road you walk upon. Sing your redemption song,
this is where you now belong. From the dark into the dawn, you are free, you carry on. Yeah. Oh, nah, nah. Rise up, be strong.
sing your redemption song.
Ooh, na 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 na. Yeah. Oh, na na. Late night breeze, I'm calling your name. Still right here, waiting in vain. Yeah. Ooh, oh, oh, na na. Moonlight shining on the empty road. Your shadow lingers, but you're gone cold. Every whisper in the wind feels the same. Calling your love, but I'm lost in the rain. Heart beats slow, but it won't let go. Memories dancing in the echo. Told myself I'd walk away, but my soul keeps begging me to stay. Tell me why you play with my mind. Leave me hanging all this time. I gave you truth, you gave me pain. Now I'm stuck here waiting in vain. I'm waiting in vain, calling your name through the sunshine. Yeah, yeah. Too much fighting in the world tonight. We need love, not war. Oh, no, 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 no. Siren sky, siren sky. Yeah. Sirens crying in the midnight air. Mothers praying but nobody cares. Children running with fear in their eyes, while the truth gets buried in disguise. Leaders talking but they never feel pain in the streets, it's way too real. Brothers turning against their own for a crown that was never their throne. Tell me what we fighting for. Blood keeps dripping on the floor. We lose ourselves in the flames, and nobody wins this game. No more war, no more pain. Too many tears falling like rain. Put down the guns, break the chain, let love rise up again. No more war, hear my cry. Too many souls saying goodbye. If we don't change, we are far. There's no victory in war. City burning under broken dreams. Nothing ever really what it seems. Power chasing shadows in the dark, leaving only ashes and a spark. Young boys raised in the battlefield, never taught how love should feel. Cycle spinning over again, generation drowning in the pain. Tell me why we choose the fight instead of healing what ain't right. Every scar, every tear, echo loud for us to hear. No more war, no more pain. Too many tears falling like rain. Put down the guns, break the chain, let love rise up again. No more war, hear my cry. Too many souls saying goodbye. If we don't change, we all fall. There's no victory in war. One love, one heart, one heart. Why are we tearing it apart? Same sun, same sky. Still we choose to fight and die. Stand up now, take a stand. Peace begins with every hand. If we rise, we can restore a world that don't need war. No more war, hear the call. Time to break down every wall. From the weakest to the strong, we all know where we belong. No more war, let it end. Turn your enemy to a friend. If we love, we can restore a better world with no more war. Yeah. Let the healing start today. Put the weapons away. No more war. Only love. Only love. Oh, na na na. Dry your eyes tonight. Everything gon' be alright. Oh, oh, na 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 na. Sitting by the fire. by the fire in the pouring rain, thinking about the days we felt no pain. Life was simple, love was strong. Now I'm here just holding on. Cold nights but your warmth remain, through every loss, through every strain.
Even when the road feels dry, I hear your voice say, don't you cry.
Through the storm, through the fight, we gon' make it through the night. Hold on strong, don't lose your light. Everything will be alright.
No woman, no cry.
Wipe your eyes,
Better days are passing by.
though the struggle feels so high.
Keep your head up to the sky. No woman, no cry.
Don't you fear,
Love will always find you here.
even when the road runs dry.
No woman, no cry.
Street lights flicker, shadows fall. Still I hear your gentle call, telling me to stand my ground, even when the world spins round. Every tear that touched your face, every moment we embraced,
Turn to strength inside my soul.
gave me power, made me whole. To the pain, to the fire, rise above and lift you higher. Don't let sorrow steal your flame, joy will find you once again.
No woman, no cry. Wipe your eyes. Better days are passing by.
Though the struggle feels so high,
Keep your head up to the sky. No woman, no cry.
don't you fear,
Love will always find you here.
even when the road runs dry.
No woman, no cry.
One love in the night so cold, stories of the brave and bold, weaving down but not defeated. Every loss can be repeated.
Turn your tears into a song. That's where broken hearts grow strong. From the pain, a brighter dawn. Keep the faith and carry on. No woman, no cry. Dry your tears. We survived through all these years. From the darkness, light will rise. You can see it in my eyes. No woman, no cry.
Stand up tall,
You're not alone through it all.
even when the world runs dry.
No woman, no cry.
Oh, nah, nah.
All night, all night.
Everything gon' be alright. Hold on,
Stay strong,
no woman.
no cry. No woman, no cry.
Oh, na na na. Rise up now, break the chains. This is your redemption song. Oh, na na na. Rise up now, break the rise up now, break the chain. This is your redemption song. From the shadows where we used to hide, carrying pain deep down inside. Every scar tell a story untold of a heart that refused to fold. Broken roads that we walked alone, searching for a place called home. But the fire still burns within, even after all the sin.
Hear the voice inside your soul telling you stand up tall.
Sing your redemption song. Where you been don't define where you belong. From the ashes you rise so strong.
This is your redemption song.
Sing your redemption song.
Turn your pain into something strong.
Let your voice be loud and long.
This is your redemption song.
Chains may hold you for a time, but your spirit's still divine. No more living in regret.
Your future ain't written yet.
Every tear that fell like
Rain was just healing through the pain. Now the sun begins to shine,
and your stars
stop to align.
feel the strength within your heart.
This is where your journey starts. Leave the past and move along. You're the writer of your song. Sing your redemption song.
Where you've been don't define where you belong.
From the ashes you rise so strong.
Oh,
This is your redemption song.
sing your redemption song.
Turn your pain into something strong.
Let your voice be loud and long.
This is your redemption song.
Emancipate your mind tonight. Step into your truth and light. No more fear, no more chains. Freedom flowing through your veins. Stand up now,
Take your place.
let the world
See your face.
from the struggle you were born. Now a king, now reborn.
See your redemption song.
Let it echo loud and strong. Every right from every wrong builds the road you walk upon.
Sing your redemption song.
This is where you now belong.
From the dark into the dawn,
You are free,
you carry on.
yeah. Oh, na na.
Rise up, be strong. Sing your redemption song. Sing your redemption song.
Yeah. Oh, na na na. Late night breeze, I'm calling in there. Still right here, waiting in vain. Moonlight shining on the empty road. Your shadow lingers, but you're gone cold. Every whisper in the wind feels the same, calling your love, but I'm lost in the rain. Heart beats slow, but it won't let go. Memories dancing in the echo. Told myself I'd walk away, but my soul keeps begging me to stay. Tell me why you play with my mind, leave me hanging all this time. I gave you truth, you gave me pain. Now I'm stuck here waiting in vain. I'm waiting in vain, calling your name. Through the sunshine, through the rain, still holding on, but nothing changed. Girl, I'm tired of this waiting in vain. I'm waiting in vain, feeling the strain. Love like fire, but it bring me pain. If you don't come back, set me free. Don't leave me here in misery. Ocean waves crash against my soul. its toll. Every promise you made fade away, like the colors of the break of day.
I see your face in every crowd, hear your voice, but it ain't so loud. Truth is hard, but I can't deny. You left me here with no goodbye. Tell me why you run from love, when it's you I'm dreaming of. Gave you heart, you gave me chains. Now I'm stuck here waiting in vain. I'm waiting in vain, calling your name, through the sunshine, through the rain. Still holding on, but nothing changed. Girl, I'm tired of this waiting in vain. I'm waiting in vain, feeling the strain. Love like fire, but it bring me pain. If you don't come back, set me free. Don't leave me here in misery.
Baby, one day you realize what you lost in my brown eyes. But until then, I'll stand my ground, even if you're not around. But my heart can't take no more, knocking on a closed door. If love is real, it will remain. But I won't keep waiting in vain. No more waiting in vain, breaking the chain, walking away from all the pain. I gave you love, I gave you flame, but I won't keep waiting in vain. No more waiting in vain. I reclaim my heart, my soul, my name. If you come back, it won't be the same, 'cause I won't be waiting in vain. Oh, nah, nah, set me free from the pain. No more waiting in vain. Too much fighting in the world tonight. You need love, not war. Oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Sirens crying in the midnight air, mothers praying but nobody cares. Children running with fear in their eyes, while the truth gets buried in disguise. Leaders talking but they never feel pain in the streets, it's way too real. Brothers turning against their own for a crown that was never their throne.
Tell me what we're fighting for. Blood keeps dripping on the floor.
We lose ourselves in the flames, and nobody wins this game. No more war, no more pain.
Too many tears falling like rain.
Put down the guns, break the chain, let love rise up again.
No more war,
Hear my cry.
too many souls saying goodbye.
If we don't change, we all fall. There's no
Victory in war.
city burning under broken dreams. Nothing ever really what it seems. Power chasing shadows in the dark, leaving only ashes and the spark. Young boys raised in a battlefield, never taught how love should feel. Cycles spinning over again,
Generations drowning in the pain.
yeah.
apart.
Same sun,
Same sky, still we choose to fight and die.
stand up.
Now take a stand.
Peace begins with every end.
If we rise, we can restore a world that don't need war. No more war.
Hear the call
Time to break down every wall.
from the weakest to the strong. We all know where we belong. Oh,
No more war.
let it end.
Turn your enemy to a friend.
If we love, we can restore a better world with no more war. Yeah, yeah.
Let the healing start today. Put the weapons away. No more war, only love. Only love.
Static on the line, but I hear your voice. In the quiet night, you're my only choice. City sleeping, but my heart awake. Every word you say make the silence break. Miles apart, but you feel so near. Through the speakers, crystal clear. No touch, no side, still I know your love steady like the radio.
Turn it up, don't let it fade.
Every word you serenade.
In the dark, your voice, my light.
Guiding me through every night. On the late night radio, love.
You the signal from above.
Through the waves I feel you close.
More than anybody knows.
No distance, no goodbye.
Just your voice and endless sky.
On the late night radio, love. You the one I'm dreaming of. Headphones on, the phase away. Every song got your name to say.